Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Fiona, and I've just got today a quick flip through of a little mini journal, and this one was actually a Freebie Friday printable in my Facebook group, not last week but the week before. And so we had a challenge in the Facebook group, which I will link the Facebook group below if you haven't yet joined. We have a free printable every Friday. And the challenge is still going until the end of October. And it was just to use the little printable journal cover, which is the inside and the outside of the cover that you get. It measures 3 inches by 4 inches. And it was just to use the cover and then make a little mini journal with 3 signatures. And you could use any papers, any embellishments, anything that you like, just to make it into a little journal. So obviously I'm not taking part in the challenge because I'm actually hosting the challenge, but I just thought I'd make my little mini journal and show it to you. So, and the winner gets the printable kit, which is this, it's a Shabby Roses, and it's got, this is one page here. It's got 16 pages in the kit, but I don't have them all printed out. I've got some examples here. There's some here with just the shabby writing in different colours. And then we've got some rose patterns on there too. And we've got this one, and that's part of another one. But yeah, there's 16 pages in the kit, and I'll also link that kit below if you want to have a look at that in my Etsy shop. So I'm just going to flip through and show you what I did with my little journal. So it doesn't have a closure at present. I've just tied a little bit of ribbon around there for now. I might just leave it like that, or I might put a bit of a closure on there. So then I've just used the printable as is, and with the little heart and the little word dream. And then I've stuck on this little flat back cabochon, which has some roses on there. And then I just put some lace on the front and the back along the edges there. And then inside we have a little pocket, which is part of the printable. And I've put in some little tags. I made this little tag, which was a die cut. And then just put a little paper pocket there and added these 2 little tags inside. And then I actually reinforced my spine with a bit of this floral fabric. Then I've got a lace pocket here, and it's got a couple more little tags. And this is one of the printable pages from the kit. And then I have a rose book full of pictures of roses, so I made a little tuck here, and I've just added a label, and that's a sheet of labels that is also a printable from my Etsy shop. And this is from another printable kit. I can't remember what it's called. I fussy cut a little butterfly and put it there. And this page flips out like this, and it's also a pocket at the top. So I've added just made a tag and backed it with some tea dyed paper, and put that in there. And this is actually dyed with a herbal tea, this paper, and you can actually still smell it. It's a berry tea. It's got different berries, blueberries, strawberries, and something else, I think. and it's come out kind of a grey, but it's kind of got a purplish tinge to it. And then I've stamped a little bird there. This is another image from the rose book that I have with a couple more tags. Some blank journaling space. Then I've just made a little pocket. It's a little stamp I've got that says "You Make Me Smile," and I've put that in there. And then I've just made a little booklet to go inside there. Some old dictionary page. And then I've made a fabric pocket and a little journaling tag there. And this is a page, another page from the rose book in the centre there. I've made another little side tuck with another little rose tag. And I've just reinforced the old dictionary page with some washi tape that I had there. Lots of writing space. And I've made a little tuck here and just a little piece of paper you can journal on. Then we come to the second signature. This is another one of those little tags with the pocket and the little tag inside. And then some more writing paper there. Another stamp. Then another little pocket with some more little tags. And this is just for decoration, a strip of rose fabric there that I had. This is from another kit, and they're printable damask paper bags. So I've put one of them in there, and with another little tag with some beautiful roses on. Then I've made a belly band, and I've put in a clock and a little rose round tag. Another little journaling card there. Another book page. And then this one I've made as a little flip down that you can write in. A little round tuck spot from a stamp that I had. And some more little tags that I've cut from a die cut. I've put a little butterfly on here. This is the other end of that bag, and I've just put another one of those labels in there. It's just stuck on for decoration there. This is a flip out, some coffee dyed lined paper. And I made a large pocket here with a little butterfly tag inside. Oops, that's got stuck. Must have got some glue on it there. Oops, oh, I can't get that out. I'll try and get that out later. I must have stuck it in there when my pocket wasn't quite dry. Okay, so now we're on to the next signature. I've made a little pocket here, some more writing space, another little tuck with some little tags, another pocket with some lined paper, and then I made a little envelope out of some of the paper and just closed it with some washi tape. And I've lined it with an old book page and I've got some little tags inside there. And then I've stuck down one of my butterflies from the printable butterfly sheet, and this is not a pocket, this is just on here for decoration. And then I've hung a little charm off the bottom here. More book page, another little tuck spot. Some collage there. Piece of fabric that you can flip out like this. You can tuck something in, or you can write under there. And then just another pocket at the back with a label and a couple more tags, and I've stuck down one of the butterflies. And then we have our back pocket where I've put this little circle tag, which was another printable Freebie Friday it was probably about 3 weeks ago now, I think. So you'll find that in the files of the Facebook group too, if you're interested. Okay, so that is my little mini journal. And thanks to everyone who is taking part in the challenge. And it goes till the end of October. So I'll be drawing the winner in the group. I think be either live on YouTube or live just in the Facebook group, either on the 31st or the 1st of November. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.